friends, it's Deja from the Bronx Children's Museum. We are super excited to work with you this year and to provide you with a LaunchBox. The LaunchBoxes you receive are full of really awesome science and art materials for you to use. Now, feel free to use these really awesome materials for any other activities you'd like to do. But just remember to save some for us when we do activities together. One of the best things about the LaunchBoxes is that they're blank. Feel free to decorate it and make it your own. You can add paintings, you can draw on it, maybe add some cool stickers, or even do a collage. It's completely up to you. We want you to make it your LaunchBox. Let's see what's inside your LaunchBox. So first, on the top of the box, it'll show what grade you're in. And on the side, there's an area for you to write your name, if your teacher or caregiver hasn't done that already for you. The first thing, when you open up your LaunchBox, is you're going to see an envelope. The envelope has all the worksheets with directions on how to do the activities we'll be doing together for this year. There also is a welcome letter that tells you which materials are needed for each activity. But most importantly, there's an assessment postcard. It already has a stamp, and after you use the LaunchBoxes, we would like for you to tell us what you think. Go ahead and fill out the information and send it to us.
Some of the main things you'll find in your LaunchBox include a Bronx Children's Museum pencil and ruler, a scientist in training button, some watercolor paper and construction paper, some oil pastels, crayons, and grow kits.
Your scientist in training button is really important because we're going to wear it together when we do activities in the classroom.
Some other things you'll find in your LaunchBox are plastic cups, spoons, salt, a pipette, and some really important things like water changing tablets that are not candy and shaving cream that is not whipped cream. So please don't eat those. And remember, don't eat the crayons or the oil pastels either.
Now that you know what's inside your LaunchBox, I'm sure you're really excited to get started. And we are too. We're really looking forward to working with you this year. Now, remember to stay safe, decorate your box in the meantime, and we'll see you soon.